Hi there, Sophia here. Thank you so much for stopping by today. Today's video is sponsored by Temu. If you're not familiar with them, you don't know what you're missing. They are an online marketplace that offers the most amazing variety of products. Everything ranging from fashion, home decor items, makeup, beauty items, and jewelry, organizers, kitchen things, things for babies, kids, pets, you name it, they've got it. Temu has the most fantastic sale going on right now. It's up to 90% off of many of their items. That's their spring campaign. And in addition, I have a 30% off coupon that you can use to shop on everything on their site. So be sure to use that when you're shopping. And also, take a look at all the different categories. They have so much to offer. When you order something from Temu, you get a very good deal with free shipping, 90-day return policy, no problem there. I was very tempted by so many things. I ended up with 2 huge boxes like this, 2 this size, filled with products that are so fun that I had to divide it into 3 videos because I didn't want to end up with a very long video. This is just one of the tops that they sent me that I just love. I showcased this on another video, so you'll have to watch that one. That's the first one I did, which is on fashion and some Mother's Day gift ideas. Today's video is going to be all about organization and some ideas for maybe a recently graduated high schooler or college student who maybe is moving into their first apartment, or a high schooler who's maybe moving into a dorm, or just your high school kid who you hope is going to organize their room. And this is what I ordered. I just love these things so much. I already started filling them up to show you what they look like. The first one is the smaller one. I filled this up with t-shirts. But you can put your scarves in here, you can put bras, underwear, any type of lingerie in here, socks. This is so lightweight. I love that it's got this mesh type of fabric that you can see clearly what's in there. This is what it looks like empty. This is a bigger size, which I'll show you in a minute. It's very strong. This is the first size, which is the smaller one. The next size that I got is actually this one. And I filled it up with my jeans. And now I have all my spring and summer jeans at a glance. I can't tell you how much space I ended up with in my closet by just doing these 3 little bins that I'm going to show you. This one is fantastic. Everything you can see at a glance. This holds 9 pairs of jeans or pants or t-shirts or whatever you want to put in here. And then the other one that I love is I use this for my cashmere sweaters, and it's this one. This is a little bit bigger. It fits 6 very comfortably, and it's a little more shallow. So you can, on the shelves in my closet, I am planning to order more of these because I'm going to get this and put another one on top with the rest of my sweaters. I have lots of sweaters that I don't like to hang because it ruins the shape of the sweater. So I'm delighted to be able to roll them up. They don't wrinkle like that. And this is just so nice and looks so organized. And another thing for organization that I thought was great and I ordered, because I have some blankets that I like to store, but I'd like to put them in something like this, where they're dust-free. And if you put it like this on your shelf, you can see with this clear window what's inside of it. And look how big it is. This would fit a few blankets in here, or throws or sofa throws that are just meant for Christmas or winter time, or maybe big bulky sweaters or a coat or something that you want to just make sure it's dust-free. This is terrific. And I also like that it has this handle here. So you can also just lift it up easily or pull it out easily. The other thing that I wanted to show you for organization that I think is terrific at any age is this. This is just to hold all your cables and your AirPods. You can put your little case in here, or just the earbuds that, with the cord, they fit in great. Here's a little idea of all the stuff you can store. You can put your flash drives in this little zippered section. Everything zips up. This is very lightweight, which is what I love about it. And this zips open. You can store things in here that you don't want to fall out. And then the other thing that I really love about this is that it has a secure part in here that you can put your charging cables, and also on this side, you can do it as well. And it has a little mesh area that you can pop something in here and then have the cord come up through here. It zips all around. And it has a handy little carrying case. I thought this was great. Other things that I was a little tempted to get because they're just easy organization things is, look at this cute little thing for Q-tips. I grabbed some Q-tips just to show you. So you fill the top with the Q-tips, and then you always have one available. And this is so handy when I'm doing my makeup. So many times I reach for a Q-tip, and I've got them in this glass jar, and I have to open up, and this is just so easy. It's just right at your fingertips, and it stays dust-free because it has a little top. So I love this. I wanted to show you, it comes packaged in these little boxes. It's just handy, and it protects it as well from any scratches or bumps. And the next product I want to show you is something that everybody can use. What I love about Temu is that so many of these things that they send already have the batteries inside. I hate buying something and then not having the batteries I need for it, and I don't have immediate gratification, and I have to run and order the batteries or go into a store and buy them. And look at this. It's a very powerful fabric shaver. This is fantastic. This is such a nice little gift. So many people don't have these. I don't know why. I use this constantly every time the season changes. I'll use it on cotton shirts. I will use it anytime I see anything get a little nubby. You can even use it on furniture, pillows. I use it on my coats, and I use it on my sweaters, and they look like new when I'm finished. So this is a very, very nice product. It has a top. This, you can unscrew it, clean it out, and then screw it back on. It's lightweight, and it comes in this cute little box. And the last item I want to show you, I thought was a really fun, cute item as well. Look how adorable this is. It has a little handle. It's got a very attractive bright pink, and this is just a juice blender. It's a portable electric blender. It comes with this little charger. You charge it, and right here, you press twice. And look how powerful that is. You can just blend up your juices in here, pressing this twice and mixing it up quickly. And it's just so nice. So this screws the top. You can also, it has a little bit of a strainer in here as well. So you can pour this out once you have mixed it up. If you want to strain what you mixed up, and unscrew this. It's very easy to wash this. And inside it has the little blades to just blend everything up together. So this is very cute. I think this makes a great gift. And I love that it's got this little charger, and it also comes in this box. So it's a nice little gift as well. I hope you enjoyed everything that I showed you today, and maybe you get some ideas for organizing or even gifts, and that you will tune in to check out my fashion and gift video and the next one that I'm going to be presenting this week. And that one is all about kitchen gadgets that I found, and I've really enjoyed using them. I'm happy that you joined me here. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.